Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something truly special on the desk. It's the brand new, highly anticipated OnePlus 15. OnePlus has always been about that flagship killer DNA. And with the 15, they might just have perfected the recipe. We're going to dive deep into everything this phone has to offer, from the moment you open the box to how it performs in the real world. Is this the phone you've been waiting for? Stick around, because we're about to find out. Alright. Let us start with what is arguably one of the most satisfying parts of getting a new gadget. The unboxing. OnePlus has always nailed this experience, and the 15 is no exception. That iconic, vibrant red box slides open so smoothly. Inside, everything is packed with precision. First up, of course, is the OnePlus 15 itself, looking absolutely stunning. We'll get back to it in a second. Underneath, we have the mighty 80-watt Super VOOC fast charger, a huge plus that it's included in the box these days. Accompanying it is the signature red USB Type-C cable that we all know and love. OnePlus also throws in a nice, clear silicone case to give you some protection right out of the gate, along with the SIM ejector tool, some user manuals, and the classic OnePlus stickers. It's a complete package that feels premium from the get-go. Now, let's talk about the main event, the phone itself. The moment you pick up the OnePlus 15, you feel that premium quality. It has this sleek aluminum frame that feels both cool and sturdy to the touch, sandwiched between Gorilla Glass Victus on the front and back. The model I have here is the Aurora Blue, and it has this gorgeous, premium matte finish that does an amazing job of resisting fingerprints. It's also available in frosted silver and midnight black, which look just as elegant. Despite its solid build, the phone feels surprisingly lightweight and balanced in the hand. The clean lines and subtly curved edges are classic OnePlus design language. It's minimalist. It's refined, and it just feels right. Let's turn this beauty on and talk about the display, because wow. The OnePlus 15 is rocking a 6.7-inch Fluid AMOLED screen, and it is a sight to behold. With a QHD Plus resolution, everything is incredibly sharp and detailed. But the real star here is that buttery smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. Whether you're just scrolling through your social feeds, browsing the web, or getting into an intense gaming session, the fluidity is on another level. It just makes every interaction feel instant and responsive. The colors are vibrant and pop off the screen, thanks to HDR10+ and Dolby Vision support. Binging your favorite shows on Netflix is an absolute treat. And for those of you who use your phone outdoors a lot, the display can reach up to 1600 nits of peak brightness. So visibility under direct sunlight is not an issue at all. This is, without a doubt, a flagship-grade display that competes with the very best. Alright, let's get into what's powering this beast. Under the hood, the OnePlus 15 is equipped with the latest and greatest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. This is the top-tier processor for Android phones right now, and it lives up to the hype. Paired with either 12 or a massive 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, this phone flies through everything you throw at it. Multitasking is completely seamless. You can have dozens of apps open in the background, switch between them, and the phone doesn't even break a sweat. For gaming, this setup is a dream. High-end titles run at their maximum settings without any stutter or lag. The performance is just consistently blazing fast. On the software side, it's running OxygenOS 15, based on the new Android 15. OxygenOS continues to be one of my favorite Android skins. It's clean, fast, and offers just the right amount of customization without being bloated. The combination of this powerful hardware and optimized software makes for an incredibly smooth user experience. Now, let's flip the phone over and talk about one of the most important aspects for many of us, the camera system. OnePlus has been making huge strides here, and the 15 continues that upward trend. The main camera is a 50-megapixel Sony IMX890 sensor with optical image stabilization. In simple terms, this camera is fantastic. Photos in good lighting are packed with crisp detail and beautiful natural-looking colors. The new image processing engine really shines, delivering balanced shots without oversaturating them. But it's not just a one-trick pony. We also have a 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens, which is great for capturing those expansive landscape shots or fitting everyone into a group photo. And finally, there's a 32-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, allowing you to get closer to your subject without losing quality. In low-light situations, the main sensor does an impressive job of pulling in light and keeping noise to a minimum. Up front, the 32-megapixel punch-hole selfie camera takes sharp and flattering photos. Overall, this is a versatile and powerful camera setup that can confidently handle pretty much any situation you throw at it. Let's talk about battery life and charging, because this is where OnePlus often pulls ahead of the competition. The OnePlus 15 is packed with a generous 5200 mAh battery. In my testing, this is easily an all-day phone, even with heavy use. I was gaming, streaming videos, and taking lots of photos, and it consistently got me through a full day with battery to spare. But here's the kicker. Even if you do manage to run it down, charging it back up is ridiculously fast. With the included 80-watt Super VOC wired charger, you can go from 0 to 100% in about 25 minutes. Let that sink in. A full charge in the time it takes to have a quick coffee break. It's a game changer. For those who love convenience, it also supports 50-watt wireless charging, which is still faster than many other phones' wired charging. And as a bonus, it even supports reverse wireless charging, so you can top up your earbuds or another phone in a pinch. The battery experience here is simply top class. Beyond the major specs, the OnePlus 15 is filled with other great features that round out the flagship experience. The in-displayed fingerprint sensor is fast and reliable, unlocking the phone in an instant. The audio experience is also excellent, thanks to a pair of Dolby Atmos-tuned stereo speakers. They get loud, they're clear, and they provide a nice, immersive soundstage for movies and games. For durability, the phone has an IP68 water and dust resistance rating, which gives you that extra peace of mind against accidental spills or getting caught in the rain. On the connectivity front, it's fully future-proofed with 5G support, dual SIM capability, the latest Wi-Fi 7 standard, and Bluetooth 5.4. OnePlus really hasn't cut any corners here. They've included all the little things that you'd expect from a premium device, making the day-to-day usage a pleasure. So, after spending all this time with the OnePlus 15, what's the final verdict? Honestly, I'm incredibly impressed. OnePlus has delivered a phone that perfectly balances power, premium design, and a truly capable camera system. You're getting the absolute fastest processor on the market, a gorgeous and fluid display that's a joy to look at, and a battery that lasts all day and charges in the blink of an eye. They've wrapped it all in a beautiful, well-built package that feels fantastic to hold and use. While it might not have every single bell and whistle of phones that cost several $100s more, it delivers where it counts. For anyone looking for a true flagship experience without completely emptying their wallet, the OnePlus 15 is an absolutely phenomenal choice. It's built for power users, for gamers. For photographers, it's built for anyone who wants a fast, reliable, and premium smartphone at a smart price. OnePlus has done it again. And that's a wrap on our review of the new OnePlus 15. I hope this in-depth look was helpful for you. What do you think about this phone? Are you planning on picking one up? Let me know all your thoughts down in the comments below. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech reviews and content just like this. We'll see you in the next one.